once in a lifetime. And see how it looks. Just spray it once. Oh my god, you guys won't believe it. It's like so good, like so good. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, I am Shreya and I make all kinds of videos. So today's video is really going to be super exciting because I'll be showing you guys my recent Amazon haul. Now all these products have been in quarantine for like 2 to 3 days after I received them, so hence late video, sorry guys. But I really do have interesting stuff and some of the essential stuffs during this tough times, so please stay tuned and let's begin with today's video. So to begin with, the first product is from Nivea. This is a Fresh Boost Long Lasting Freshness 48-hour protection. This one is in Fresh Musk scent. It's a deodorant. Now the MRP is $199, but I'll mention on the screen what I have paid. Now this has a very beautiful strong, but it has got a very beautiful like scent altogether. Now it's not that typical strong men's perfume or men's deodorant. Disclaimer, it's not that typical one. If you're opting or if you're looking for something to give to your brother or anyone, like Bhai Dooj is coming, Durga Puja is coming and many more birthdays are coming, so I ordered one for my brother and the other from my uncle. So I definitely think that both of them will love it because the perfume or the deodorant is, it says that it's strong, it's 48-hour protection or 48-hour long lasting, but it has got altogether a very different and beautiful perfume, like beautiful scent to it altogether. Now I'm not a pro in explaining perfumes, so if at all you haven't watched my top 6 affordable perfumes video, I'll mention on the screen somewhere. Don't forget to check it out. So coming towards the women's section, now obviously I wanted to give something to my mother as well, but we know for the fact that we aren't going anywhere right now, but still you need a deodorant in your life, so come on. So this one is Nivea Pearl and Beauty. This one is same 48 hours protection, 0% alcohol. The MRP is $199, but I'll mention it on the screen as to what I have paid. Now this one is a sealed one because I definitely don't want to open it, so I'll share the review somewhere in my next video, so please stay tuned for it. So the next product, now come on, we all have, like, everyone is staying in lockdown, nobody is going out of their houses until and unless it's really important and urgent. So actually, like, elder people, your mom and dad, everyone used to go to the parlors for hair color and anything, like even the teenagers used to visit, so everybody is opting for hair colors at home. So this one I have got from L'Oreal Casting Creme Gloss Conditioner Color No Ammonia. So this one, the MRP is rupees 199, but I think I paid rupees 169 for this. So this one is in the shade medium brown, 500 medium brown. Now I didn't opt it like for a burgundy color because it's like too cliche, so I wanted a very subtle color. Now I haven't used, my mom had used the L'Oreal Casting Creme Gloss, the black ebony black version of it, and she said that it's long lasting and everything, so I wanted to give it a try to the medium brown section. So let's see how it goes. Definitely somewhere I'll make a video of this one, using this one and the result of this one, so stay tuned for that. So coming towards the next product, now this one is again for my brother. Now he goes like to run errands, like for medicines, for any of those stuff, and like he does not like carrying an umbrella, like whatsoever. He does not carries an umbrella. Now I don't know why he does that, but still. So I wanted to give something to him. So this one is a cap, like this one is from UCB, like United Colors of Benetton. Now I don't remember what I actually paid for this. I don't even remember, like he has been using it, so the tags have been removed. So this one is like this. I'll insert a video clip of a close. Now these are some stitches, it's not like it's printed or whatsoever. These are stitches of orange color, and this one is also a complete thread work, and the material of it, it's like more or less like a jeans material, like the very mota wala material, and at the back it has got this one. So this one, the system is that you can open this one and you can adjust it accordingly to your head. So, and then it's like a clip-on thing, so it's better than those Purana wala, the clips, the white clips. I'll insert a picture on the screen so it gets easier for you all to understand. Now this one is really good. I absolutely love the material of it. I was very like worried of how the material will turn out, whether it will be too patla wala material, so but nonetheless it's really good. It's very sturdy, I have to say. I think that it will last to him for like a really long time, so yeah, I'll put it on for once in a lifetime and see how it looks. So definitely, if you guys are looking something to give it to your brother, whatever the age is, so you can definitely go ahead and check these products out. So the next cap, coming towards the next cap. Now probably I'll take this cap, or probably he'll steal it from me, so I don't know what's going to happen. So this one is from Puma. Now I'll just check. The price of it is written here is $12.99, but I actually don't remember what I paid, because all these products have been sitting in my balcony like for quarantine and everything. So this one, it looks like this. Now this one is again a thread work. The material is much more thinner than the previous one, because that one I guess was of a jeans material. Now this one is a cotton material, but it's breathable, it's good. I think that it's good for summers, and I think that that one is good for winters. I really think so. This one is again sturdy. Now I don't really know, like you can remove the sticker, so I haven't removed it yet. So coming towards the back side, so the back side is again like this. So you have to open it and you have to insert it accordingly. So it's just the basic you have in belts and all. So yeah, this is the whole look of it. I don't know how do I look like. I don't even have a mirror in front of me. So you guys will be the best judge for me, right? Best judge for me right now. So I almost forgot to show it to you guys in the first section, but nonetheless, this one is again from the Nivea men's collection. Now this one, I guess while I was searching for the deodorant section, now this one I saw it and I guess it was newly launched, so I gave it a try. Now this one is for the MRP is rupees 279 and it's for 100 ml. Now the packaging was really good. I was impressed with it. So this one, body deodorizer, Active Fresh. I don't know for how many hours. It says it's gas free. This is how it looks like. So I'll just spray it once. Oh my god, you guys won't believe it. It's like so good, like so good. Like I am impressed now. I think that I'll be using it. I'll be taking it from my brother. Oh my god, it's absolutely freshness in a bottle. Like actually freshness in a bottle. It's so good, like so good. Like you definitely have to give it to someone for them to realize of how good this is. And I think that Nivea men to ye hota hai, but even we can also use it. Like most of the times I use my brother's things like deo, perfumes and everything, because I really love them. Now comment down below how many of you do the same. So I think that I'll be having many of you guys in my gang. So yeah, this smells absolutely stunning. I'm definitely ordering another one in case my brother decides not to share it with me. So I have to have one in my backup. So coming towards the skincare section now, I always have a product which is for the skincare section now. I don't know why, but I do. So this one is from Urban Botanics Natural Care Pure Aloe Vera Gel with vitamin B and natural ingredients. So it says that it's paraben free, alcohol free, fragrance free and color free. So this one, I guess the price of it was rupees 599, but I think that I paid somewhere around 300. This one is for 200 grams. So it really does not contain any parabens and colors or whatsoever. So this is how the gel looks like. It's absolutely transparent. It has got no smell, like literally no smell, like nothing. So according to the previous one, the Lakme Aloe Vera Gel, which I shared it with you guys in my previous Nykaa haul. If you haven't checked it out, you can definitely go ahead and check it out and mention on the screen. So that particular Lakme aloe vera gel had a smell, had a very different perfume or scent to it. I think that it has got added scent to it, but this one is fragrance free, so I am definitely looking forward of using this one and share the reviews with you guys really soon. So definitely, if you're looking for something really organic and without any chemical, paraben free product, like, I think that even after Lakme, I'll recommend you guys this one, because like, I have seen it, I've experienced it with my own eyes, and I've smelled it. Like, both of them look like Lakme aloe vera gel is also transparent, but mind it has got a fragrance to it. So I'm really in a fix. I'll definitely share the review of this soon. So coming towards the essential side. Now coming towards the essential side, I have got these 3 masks. So these are reusable. These have got 7-layer shield, and it's really comfortable. Like, these are cotton masks, and I was really impressed with the fittings, and I was really impressed with the like comfortableness which I had. So this one goes along with the head, like not with your ears, so this won't hurt your ear actually. And towards this side, it has got a nose clip. It is inside of the material, hence it's not visible from outside, but you can definitely fit it accordingly so that it stays on your nose. Like, and you're good to go. So you can adjust it accordingly. It has got a string attached so that you can adjust it. You can adjust it accordingly. It has got something like this attached, so you can do it accordingly, like your head thing and all. So this one is really comfortable. It's cotton, it's breathable material, it's washable 24 hours, freshness and everything. So I think that if you guys are looking for something not really plasticky, not really like the one that claustrophobes you from the inside, I think that definitely you can go ahead and check this out. So I'll mention all the links in the description box down below. So there are 3 different color variants available. Now all of them are available. You have to buy 3 altogether. So there are different colors available. Now I opted for the darker shades because I didn't wanted any flashy mask on my face. I didn't wanted to make a fun of myself by wearing a very flashy thing on my face. So coming towards the last product. Now I can still smell the freshness. Now I have to order it. So coming towards the last product, I'm like unboxing it here only. So I've got a knife. These are some chappals. Like, I wanted to give it to my brother because I don't know why I found these red colors super flashy, but also at the same time very cute. And like, in the house you can definitely go ahead and wear it, and even if you're going for running errands and everything, so you can definitely go and buy them until and unless you're scared of the color red. So this one is how the packaging looks like. It comes in a bag like this. So you open it up. So here it is. I'll just take out the other one. So here are the chappals. These are really good. It's sturdy. I think that it will last for a really long time for him. It's really sturdy and it will last for him. I believe so. So yeah, it has got like a red sole and a orangish foreground of it and red straps. I really love the color, so I got it for him. So I think that he'll love it. So the price is ₹5.99, but I'll mention of what I have paid for this. I don't think that I have paid any shipping charges for this. It was like free shipping or anything. So definitely, if you're looking something to give to your brother, like anyone, like it can be your boyfriend, husband, anyone, so you can definitely go and check out the colors. Now it has got different colors, it has got different variants. Now I'm not promoting Puma, this is not a sponsored video, but I really do love all these products, and I'm looking, like, I genuinely think that these products will last him for a really long time, since like he's always going out, he's always going here and there. So I think that a good product will last him for a long time until and unless giving him a very clumsy product which is cheaper than this one. So definitely, yeah. So that was it for today's video. I do really hope that all of you guys have found it interesting, and if at all you guys are interested in purchasing any of the products which I have shown, all the product links will be mentioned in the description box down below, so don't forget to check it out. And if at all you like my video, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and also comment down below as to what other video ideas do you want me to try out, or you want me to do a specific challenge video or anything. So please don't forget to leave your comments down below. Till then, stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.